Hello children, today we'll solve first exercise of lesson exponents and powers. The first main question is evaluate. In that first question is 2 raised to minus 2. Here we have to use laws of exponent to solve this one. A raised to minus 2 is similar as a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. We have to use this law here. Means a means 3 minus n is equal to minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by 3 raised to 2. Means 3 square is 9. Therefore the answer is 1 divided by 9. So this is the first one. For second one also we have to use laws of exponent. Means same law we have to use here. A raised to minus n is equal to a raised to minus n is equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. This one. Here a means minus 4. Minus n is minus 2 is equal to 1 divided by minus 4 raised to 2. Means minus 4 square. We know that square means we have to multiply minus 4 2 times. Is equal to, see here, 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 4. We know that minus into minus always plus. 4 4s are 16. Therefore 1 divided by 16. This is the answer. Third one, 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5. Here also we have to use the law a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Here a means 1 by 2 and minus n means minus 5. Therefore, 1 divided by 1 by 2 raised to 5. Now this negative becomes positive. It means that therefore, see, I'll explain you how here this 2 by 5 comes. I'll write this 1 divided by 1 by 2 in this form. Yes. Now this division when will turn into multiplication 1 into, we have to write the reciprocal of this next number means 2 by 1. Means 1 2s are 2. Therefore here comes what? 2. 2 raised to 5. Now multiply 2 5 times. Don't write 2 5s are 10. If it is 2 5s are 10, answer is wrong. We have to multiply 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. The answer is 32. Second main question. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Here we have to express the numbers in positive exponent. See here the question is minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. Here we have to use the law a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. See, if base are equal, division means we have to subtract the powers. Therefore, here is equal to minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8 is equal to minus 4, 5 minus 8. Say plus minus always minus, but here greater number is negative, therefore minus 4. But the answer is now in negative format. But in question what they ask? Power notation with positive exponent. Now exponent is negative. Means we'll use here a raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. Means 1 divided by minus 4 raised to 4. Minus 4 raised to 4. This is the answer. Second one. The question is 1 upon 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. First we'll use this law a divided by b raised to m means this m it belongs to A as well as B. Yes. Therefore, this power 2 comes here as well as here. 2 raised to 3 raised to 2. Now second here we have to use this law. A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n. Means we have to multiply this m into n. Therefore, 1 square is 1. 2 raised to 3 into 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to 3 2s are 6. The third one question is minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. Here we'll use this law. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a raised to a into b raised to m. Yes, means here it is minus 3 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. Cancellation is possible. This 3 cancelled. What it remains here means minus 1 into 5 raised to 4. Now here we'll reverse this one. This 4 it belongs to minus 1 as well as 5 raised to 4. We know that any negative number multiply even time, then the negative becomes positive. This minus 1 raised to 4 becomes 1 into 5 raised to 4. Therefore, the answer is 5 raised to 4. Fourth one, 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Here we'll use this law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. If base are equal, division means we have to subtract the power. So here 3 raised to minus 7 minus 10 bracket into 3 raised to minus 5. Therefore 3 raised to minus 7 minus into minus plus 10 bracket into 3 raised to minus 5 means 3 raised to 7 minus 10 it is 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now we'll use a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If base are equal, multiplication means we have to add the power. Therefore, 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5 means 3 raised to 3 plus into minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to minus 2. Now this is negative. Here exponent is negative. Now this negative we have to convert into positive using this one. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. Therefore, 1 divided by 3 raised to 2. This is the answer. Fifth one. 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. Here we'll use this law. A raised to m into b raised to m is equal to a into b raised to m. Here a means 2 and b means minus 7. Therefore, 2 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. Now multiply 2 sevens are 14 plus into minus minus raised to minus 3. Now this negative will convert into positive using this law. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. Therefore the answer is 1 divided by minus 14 raised to 3.